Guys, I am moving next week and that is why my house is so messy. And we were looking up some renovation ideas for our new home. Here are a couple of renovation ideas that I thought were great, but then learned from people at the DreamR Project that they're actually not so great. So generally, I really liked the idea of my TV being in a wall niche, you know, looking really sleek like in the hotels. My toddler has hit his head on this TV so many times because it's sticking out on the bracket. But the problem with wall niches is that if you decide to change the size of your TV or the placement or the setup, then that means that you're left with this big gaping hole on the wall. So first tip is to avoid over customization because that would make your setup very inflexible. I also contemplated the idea of merging bedrooms, knocking down walls so that I could make my bedroom much bigger. Don't do it. Circumstances change. Hello. You may find yourself needing the separation. But more importantly, it could also affect your ability to sell your flat. If you had a 4-room flat and suddenly it's a modified 3-room flat, that could really affect and turn off some potential buyers, and you may have to reinstate the wall, which will cost extra money. You can get a lot more renovation tips. Follow the DreamR Project on Instagram for beautiful pictures and reno inspiration.